Hello students, this is Bhavin Patel, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn how to construct a simple sentence, or we are going to learn the construction of a simple sentence. Construction of a simple sentence comprises of subject plus verb plus object or complement or adverbial. Now let us see one by one the different elements of simple sentence. Subject plus verb plus object. This is a very familiar structure of a simple sentence, and we know many examples of this simple sentence structure. Ganesh writes a letter, he plays kabaddi, I watch a kabaddi match. Likewise, Ganga painted a picture, reporters gave the report. Whatever is in red is subject, all the words in blue are verbs, and all the verbs in green are objects. Moving further, we'll see what is subject. Subject is a noun or noun pronoun that comes before verb. Let us see the example. It can be a noun or pronoun. How? Ganesh has seen the movie. In this sentence, Ganesh, written in Latin in red, is a subject noun. And in the second sentence, he liked it, you will find he is a pronoun and subject of the sentence. It can be a phrase. Phrase means a group of words in which main word is a noun or pronoun. See the example. The wise man answered the questions. In this sentence, the wise man is a noun phrase and it is the subject of the sentence. Now let us see what is object. Object is like a subject and comes after verb. It can also be a phrase, as subject is. Ganesh has seen the movie, he liked it. In both the sentences you will find the movie noun as an object, and in the second sentence it is a pronoun as an object. He answered the most difficult question is in this sentence the most difficult questions is a phrase as an object. So in short we can say subject or object can be a single word or a group of words. Now make sentences of the following table or from the following table. You are given subject, verb, object, and you can make many sentences such as Ganesh asks a question, Ganesh asks them, Ganesh asks her. Likewise, you can take people ask an address, people ask a question. Likewise, you can make other sentences taking different subjects, verbs and objects. In this table 2, you can make sentences like Captain gave him, Captain gave an answer, Rupesh gave an answer, girls gave a suggestion. Likewise, you can make many different sentences out of these tables. All these will be simple sentences. Now moving further, subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. We have seen what is object, but there can be two types of objects. One is indirect and another is direct. So see the sentences. For example, subject, verb, indirect object and direct object are given in the table. You can see the sentence, you can make it. Suhas suggested him a word, boys suggested him a place. Likewise, you can go on making sentences after sentences. There are many possibilities here. They gave her a word. People gave me a word. Likewise, you can make many sentences with indirect object. Indirect objects are mainly pronoun, but there can be sometimes nouns also as an indirect object. But mostly they are persons. Now moving further, subject plus verb plus complement. What is this complement? You will see complement is a word that gives extra information about the subject. You can make a sentence here, he is my friend. My friend, this phrase gives you extra information, who is he. Ganesh is a smart boy. A smart boy, this phrase gives you extra information about the subject Ganesh. So complement plays function of giving information about subject. So complement is modifier for the subject. Now see here in the second table, school was posh. Suppose you have visited some school and you can make such statement, school was posh. Station was so clean. These are the complementing phrases in third column, very big, so clean. And the complement type of word, you can see type of word used for complement are adjectives or noun phrases. See in the third table, pictures were very interesting. Lectures are very interesting. For some students, online lectures can be very interesting. So they may say lectures are very interesting. Here you get compliments for the lectures as very interesting. So in this way you can see a new element that we rarely focus, that is complement. It is not always that in any sentence subject, verb and object is always the construction. There can be subject, verb plus complement construction. Many students ignore this. So please concentrate and try to understand. This one is one more extra element that can be there rather than object. What is adverbial? Adverbial is a word that gives information about the action or verb. Now see, it adds information to the verb. Narendra is at railway station. Is the verb of existence, be form, and at railway station, this phrase gives you information about the place of being where. So it gives information about is, and we get adverbial phrase, adverbial, at railway station. It can be just an adverb. Adverbial phrase can be just an adverb, part of speech. Narendra writes slowly. Slowly is an adverb of ly suffix we know, and it gives extra information about the action of writing, that is slow. It can be a group of words. Adverbial can be a group of words. See how? Narendra wakes as early as possible. As early as possible is a group of words, and that gives information about wakes how, wakes when. So it is adverbial in a form of phrase. In short, any word or group of words giving or adding information to verb is called as an adverbial. Make sentences on your own. There can be many simple sentences be made through these four tables. Tilesh moved to Mumbai. Tilesh goes to Mumbai. Tilesh goes at his left. Then usually he stands. You can make he usually stands. He usually cries. Then in third table, they finally went. They finally went. Subject, adverb and verb. These are the different constructions that you can notify. Subject, adverb, verb, adverbial. In the last table, Gautam never come at the night time or right time. Gautam never comes at the right time. Sam just returned at the right time. Likewise, you can make different sentences which are simple in structure. Now just observe these sentences with different type of constructions. I see 4 milestones in my life. I is subject, see is verb, 4 milestones object, and in my life is adverbial part. In second sentence, we have waited too long for our freedom. First, we is subject, have waited is verb, and too long is adverbial part, and another adverbial part is for our freedom. Then in third sentence, a surgeon visited my laboratory. A surgeon is subject, visited is verb in past tense, my laboratory is object. Then he prepared his speeches perfectly before 2 days. He subject, prepared verb, his speeches is object, perfectly is adverb, and before 2 days is adverbial phrase. And in the fifth sentence, finally he gave the speech fluently with confidence. You will find sentence is simple, but there are many words than 3 words. He is subject, gave is verb, the speech is object, and the sentence began with adverb finally. Again another adverb is there, fluently with confidence is adverbial prepositional phrase as adverbial. This way we learned here subject, a doer of the action or word about which the information is given in the sentence. It can be noun, pronoun or noun phrase. We also learned what is object. Object is a receiver of the action or for whom the action is done. It can be a noun, pronoun or noun phrase. We learned complement. Complement is a word which gives more information about subject in the sentence. It can be an adjective or sometimes noun. We also learned adverbial part of simple sentence. What is adverbial? A word or group of words which give more information about verb in a sentence. It can be an adverb, adverb phrase or prepositional phrase. Students, whatever structures we saw were all for simple sentence. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Abhinav English. Thank you.